Now let's check out the bookshelf widget. Search for PDF and there you can see bookshelf display PDF viewer widget. To use this widget, you need another add-on that is called display PDF viewer for WordPress add-on. This add-on has two features, bookshelf and list and grid. Bookshelf will demonstrate all the PDF viewers and rearrange them in a way that looks like this. The PDFs will organized over a bookshelf. So let's try it out. Here I have taken a bookshelf. Let's select some viewers. So you can see a bookshelf has come on and all my PDFs are organized over this bookshelf, which is also clickable. Now the open type can either be pop-up or link. If we choose the pop-up option, it will pop up over that screen, or if we choose the link option, it will open in a new tab. Now there are 4 types of shelf, wood style 1, 2 and glass style 1 and 2. I am giving the wood style 1. You can put any CSS class here to add the CSS later. So when I click update and let's check out in our page, you can see a nice bookshelf is showing on our page. And there are PDFs which are organized over the shelf. And when I click any PDF, it will open as a pop-up. You can see it's totally workable.